Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Kingdom Chase video. To be honest, today's trade we made, if you could tell by the title, we made about 51 at 60 cents, right? $51.60. Today's trade wasn't really a supply and demand setup. It wasn't actually. It was more a breakout. So the 13 EMA breakout. Yeah, but I have some exciting news for you guys. Now I started a signals group, right? So if you guys want more information about that, you guys can join the link in the description below to the Discord, or follow me on Instagram, kaeden.trades, Kaeden, will be at the bottom right there. And you can message me for more information. I'll post the prices, everything, monthly, lifetime prices in the group. But to be honest, let's talk about the year so far. The year, I said this in the video before, the year has just been amazing for me. Literally profitable. I've been profitable since December, right? Coming down, like later down into 2024, yeah, I've been profitable, right? So to be honest, usually after 3 months as a trader, you just classify yourself as a profitable trader if the 3 months are profitable, obviously, right? And for me, it's been more than 3 months, about 5-6 months, sorry, not 6 months, 5 or 3 months, 3 months or 4 months, or whatever. I gotta verify that, right? But yeah, so far so good. Hopefully we could continue that momentum through the entire year. But so far the account, I've grown the account to $620 today with the trade today, right? I had made, not really a withdrawal, but I put around $30 in another account, and yesterday I basically made it back, right? But I was supposed to make a video about yesterday trade, but I didn't get a chance to make it because of training, right? I got caught up in training and I was just way too tired to make a video on it, right? So after this video, I'll try to make explanation about yesterday's trade, right? So without further ado, let's just jump right into the charts. Alright guys, so you can see here we have gold. To be honest, gold so far for the year has just been hitting amazing. Sometimes I get NAS, but really today I had 3 setups, right? Gold, NAS, and SPX 500, right? None of the SPX 500 setup or the NAS setup had hit, but we ended up getting a gold breakout, right? So here you can see over on the 5 minutes, right? Let's just jump over on the 1 hour quick, right? So you can see here gold has just been coming down here, sweeping liquidity, heading back up here. You guys can see from last week Thursday to this yesterday we swept liquidity up here, came back down, went up, and literally came back down, right, to this major jump, right? So to be honest, today I was mostly looking at supply and demand. Well, sorry, not supply and demand, supply setups. If we go down to the 50 minute, you guys can see more structure being broken here. To be honest, I was looking at this 50 minute zone, which also had confluence with the 5 minute zone, right? So I was looking at that, right, breaking structure. And if we notice one thing on the 1 hour, you guys can see here liquidity is sitting at the bottom, right? So let's just mark that up real quick. Okay, so liquidity is sitting at the bottom, right? You notice how price did not close below this wick, it rejected and closed above, right? We're showing some beautiful rejections, right? So if we go down to the 5 minutes, in my head I was like, okay, I'm gonna take the breakout. If it close above, if I see some sign of the seller slowing down and buyers stepping into the market, then I will start to take that. I would look to take a breakout, right? So fast forward now. If you go forward, you guys can see here, you can see price definitely starting to slow down a little bit. This is what time? This is 7:55, 8 o'clock New York session. You guys can see here, price pushed up, major rejection. I was like, okay, we're probably not gonna get an entry now. And then I believe it was this candle. Okay, this candle here, we got entry. I got a perfect entry, and literally in a few candles, you guys can see here, TP was literally smashed. And just to show you guys how far this trade went before coming back down, because eventually price then decided to sweep low, probably, you know, target liquidity here on top for the 1 hour, I believe. If we go over here, let's see, yep, 1 hour liquidity sitting on the top here, and literally just price came back down real far. Let me show you guys how far price went, right? So that's it for this trade. If you guys enjoy this, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and remember, join the link in the description below to the Discord. And yeah guys, peace out.